So within D365, we have workspaces. Workspaces are slowly but surely replacing the traditional menu structure that many of us know and love. And a workspace is a collection of related functionality organized in a more point-and-click fashion. You can modify a workspace. You can add tiles, the blue boxes, to a workspace so that you can personalize it. You can go and create your own workspace, which when I work on customer sites, that's what I typically do. And I will assign different screens, queries, lists to my own workspace for the things that I'm tracking, following, or paying attention to. So the tiles are going to give me some summary information as to what's happening out in the shipping delivery world. For instance, right now, I have 0 customer orders where the delivery date has changed. So whatever plan I had for packing orders, this is a good order. I have 170 order lines that are late. Probably not a good thing. I have 1 customer order that's on hold. It could be on credit hold. It could be on hold because the customer said, don't ship that to me right now. I'll tell you when you can ship it to me. I have 3 customer orders that right now are partially shipped. Either partially shipped in that the customer wanted 100 and I've sent them 70, or they said, ship me these 3 lines and I've shipped 2 of the lines. So this gives me a nice little dashboard as to what's happening in my sales department. And then the middle section, I can go and have a look at some of the details, and I can sort these screens so that, for instance, I could sort it to look at just things on a specific date. You know, they wanted shipped today, or what is everything I should be shipping today. I can go a step lower and go and have a look at all my open sales order lines. So an open sales order line is everything that's unfulfilled. And I can look by sales order number. I can look at it by a specific customer. I can pull out all the items and look at this by a certain item. I can look at it by a sales category. And this is useful if your warehouse is organized by item category. So if I'm going to tell people to go and get me inventory so I can start shipping it out, it may be more useful to pull my open sales orders by everything that's in the speaker category, because all of that inventory is housed in a certain area. And I can generate a picking list that's focused to a specific area of a factory. Or I can pull it by site, I can pull it by warehouse, I can pull it by date. I can have a look at it by when the customer wanted it shipped, and I can also pull reports for picking based on mode of delivery. So 40 could be UPS, 10 could be FedEx. I could have truck, I could have will call, I could have delivery. I may have some specific sales groups. So this one screen allows me to think about my outstanding sales orders as an expedite list, and I can slice and dice and sort and toss and turn this based on a customer, based on an item, based on a warehouse, based on a kind of a product, and or based on how is this shipment going to make it to a customer.